Welcome to Eastern Star, a place where we love making your home better. We're more than just a company. We're skilled people who are really good at changing your home to suit what you like. We put in great windows and doors and make basements and bathrooms look amazing, just the way you want them.
Think about relaxing on a special deck we build just for you, showing how much we care about doing a great job. We're also really good at putting up and fixing walls to make them look perfect. But we do a lot more. We paint and finish the outside of your house to make it look awesome and last long. We put in and fix floors too, making your home beautiful and cozy.
At Eastern Star, we pay attention to the small things. This means we put together furniture, renovate homes, and fix things with a lot of care. We can make your floors, walls, and even your kitchen look just the way you want.
We paint inside your house and build patios outside too. We're experts at changing, fixing, and refreshing every part of your home, including putting in and changing really nice tiles.
And there's more. We also build fences to make sure your whole home fits your style perfectly. At Eastern Star, we turn your home into something you've always dreamed of with our skills. Come join us and see how we can make each part of your home just right for you.